How to remove payment method from Contabo. Open the Contabo website in your browser and go to the customer login page. Sign into your Contabo account using your registered email and password. Wait for the Contabo control panel dashboard to fully load on the screen. Go to the account section from the main menu in the dashboard. Find the billing area where payment and invoice settings are available. Open the Payment Methods page to see the payment method currently connected to your account. Check the listed payment method that you want to remove from your account. Click the option that allows you to edit or change the current payment method. Select another payment option if the system asks you to choose a new method first. Enter the required information for the new payment method in the given fields. Review the details you entered to make sure the information is correct. Save the updated payment settings in your account dashboard. Confirm the change so the new payment method replaces the old one. The previous payment method will no longer be used for future payments in your Contabo account. Thank you for watching.